We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 15 screen not responding to touch. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a really worrying problem, so we're going to guide you through how you can try fixing it, because otherwise you can't go and use it. You may be thinking that you have to go and wait for it to run out of charge, and maybe then when you can charge it again, it will turn back on, it will be resolved. So to try fixing this, we're going to try doing a forced restart, which is a button combination. So you're going to need to press the volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. We're going to do that now. So press volume increase, decrease, and tap and hold the side button. Now, depending upon the situation, the iPhone screen may not change. It may just go and remain the same. Otherwise, you may go and see this here, but don't worry, just hold the side button. It doesn't matter. It should go black, and shortly we should see the Apple icon. At that point, you can go and release the side button. It's now going to go and restart and go and wait. It shouldn't take long, and it should come back on. It's now come back on, and hopefully now the problem's going to be solved. Leave a like if you found this useful.